Looking forward for more travel incentive of JCRC Realty.
JCRC Realty goes to Cebu!
We would like to thank, of course, JCRC family for giving this opportunity na magkasama kami dalawa ni Daddy na maging part nitong travel na to. We are so happy and excited sa mga susunod pa na mangyayari. Di ba, Daddy?
Yes, masaya kami. Magkakasama tayong lahat dito.
Yes, more travel, more success, and of course, sama-sama tayo lahat na maging happy dito sa travel na binigay ng JCRC family. Maraming salamat, JCRC family!
Thank you!
Good morning, Real Estate. So, thank you, JCRC Realty. Thank you, Jem and inaanak. Jem and Raymart, thank you for this opportunity na nakasama ko sa Travel You. I love you guys.
Hello, good morning. Hi, Jem and Ma. Thank you very much kasi nakasama rin ako sa staycation natin dito sa Cebu. Sa wakas, nakarating na ako ng Cebu. Thank you very much and more travels with you guys. So, in the future and I love you. Bye.
This is our day to!
Maraming salamat sa JCRC Realty. Talagang napakasarap magtrabaho. Talagang iniisip ng JCRC Realty na hindi lang puro trabaho yung ibibigay sa mga staff or sa mga agent, kundi relaxation para matanggal yung mga stress at saka makapag-travel. Grabe magbigay yung JCRC Realty. Super generous. Kaya kaming mga agent and employee ng JCRC Realty is very grateful and thankful talaga na nagiging part kami ng JCRC Realty. So, with that, thank you so much JCRC Realty for this Cebu Travel Incentive.
JCRC Realty, welcome to Sirao!
Hi! Ayun, thank you JCRC Realty, Ma'am Jem and Sir Raymart na nagbigay ulit ng travel incentives ngayon. Grateful po kami sa company na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nagbabago. 5 years na pero wala pa rin changes. Kung gaano sila ka-generous noon hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin. So I'm very grateful and thankful po kay na boss.
Hi! Thank you so much po, JCRC Realty, Ma'am Jem and Sir Raymart. First time sumakay ng airplane, so sobrang saya. Kasi 40 years old na ako, ngayon ko lang naranasan, di ba? Tapos free travel pa, tapos ganyan, naka-hotel pa. So thank you so much for giving us the opportunity sa lahat ng support, sa lahat ng pagmamahal sa aming lahat. Sobrang appreciated, grateful kami talaga lahat sa lahat ng pagmamahal niyang mag-asawa po. Thank you so much!
Thank you, JCRC Realty, for having this, and more blessing to come, and more sales to come, and more travels to come. Thank you very much, JCRC Realty.
Thank you, JCRC Realty. More blessings, more sales in 2023. Sana marami pong mabless na tao.
Thank you, JCRC Realty. Thank you, Miss Jem, Miss Sermat. Napakasarap na experience. Ngayon lang namin na-experience yung ganito na naka-travel ng Cebu. Napakasarap. Thank you po.
Thank you po, Miss Jem, Sir Raymart. Dahil po sa JCRC Realty, naranasan po namin mag-travel ng ano po. Ito yung hindi po namin akalain makapag-travel po kami Cebu. Ayun po, last time Boracay and Ilocos po. Thank you so much po talaga, Miss Jem and Sir Raymart, and to all JCRC Realty family.
Thank you po, Miss Jem, tsaka si Sir Raymart, sa napaka-generous niyo po sa panalo po sa raffle. Thank you po, at sana po mas marami po kayong matulungan. Ayun po. Salamat po.
Thank you!
Thank you, JCRC, sa travel incentive. Ayun, nadala namin yung buong pamilya namin dito at na-experience namin yung ganitong travel. Thank you.
Thank you, JCRC Realty. Nakapag-staycation ulit kami and nakapag-relax.
Thank you, JCRC. Thank you sa travel incentive, more powers. Good luck for the 2023. Woo!
Thank you, JCRC Realty. More sales and more travel together.
More power, JCRC Realty!
Woo! Thank you, JCRC Realty.
Thank you, JCRC Realty!
Thank you, JCRC Realty. Woo!
Thank you, JCRC Realty.
Thank you, JCRC. I love you.
Thank you, JCRC.